So one of the major issues young and coming traders, even for myself when I began, is actually knowing how to use the right lot size that fit the amount that I want to risk per trade. Because when I first got in, the whole 0.01 lot, the whole 0.5 lots, all of those lot size, standard lot size, meaning they were all confusing to me, and I didn't know exactly how to manage the risks, use the exact lot size that fits the amount of money I want to risk on a particular trade. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can do this as a beginner trader who is confused on the whole lot size and how to use it to risk the exact amount you plan on risking per trade. So stick with me to the end of this video and I'll be showing you every single detail on how to do that. So guys, all that you have to do is come to your MT5, right? And let's say you want to risk $100 on this particular trade, and your account balance is, let's just say, $1,000. This is just like let's just say you just want to risk $100. This was for the example, depending on what your account size is. But what I usually advise people to like risk 1% to 1.5% of your account. That's like the normal risk, 1% to 1.5, not more, depending on your risk appetite and what you can afford to lose. So let's say you have a $1,000 account and you want to risk $100, right? So just for example purposes, so all you have to do is go to your browser, right? Go to your browser, right? Okay, I was calculating already. Let me clear this up. Your account balance is $1,000. Your risk percentage. So if you have a $1,000 account and you want to risk $100, that means you're risking 10% on that trade. So you just put there 10%. And stop loss, it's my stop loss is usually between 20 pips to 30 pips. So let's just say 25 pips. That's like in between 25 pips stop loss. But you should have already determined how many pips stop loss you want to use before coming here. So it's a Euro USD chart, so we'll just calculate. Exactly, you'll be using 0.4 standard lot. You'll be using exactly 0.4 standard lot. Remember, you'll be using 0.4 standard. Forget about the micro, the mini, all of them. What you're to focus on is the 0.4 standard, because a lot of beginner traders really like fuck up when it comes to trying to like risk the exact amount. And I got a lot of them from them like telling me to create a video on that. So yeah, remember 0.4 standard, and immediately we buy. So the moment the points gets to 25 pips, you see that exactly what I'll be risking is $100 on that trade. So 250 points is 25 pips. So you can see that what I'm risking is exactly $100, and I'll just modify it. Okay, I forgot to set take profit. Let me set a take profit. What I usually target times 2 of whatever I'm risking. So since we are risking $100, what our target should be is $200 on this trade. Alright, so that has been done. This is exactly how you can set and be able to calculate the right lot size to use on any trade at all that you want to take, and avoid using the wrong lot sizes. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. As usual, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, you drop a comment if you still have any issues on lot size or have anything you want to ask me trading based, and I'll reply you right there below in the comment section. Use the link, join my Telegram channel. You don't want to miss the growth, the journey. Join me on my journey to making $1 million. Join me. I drop signals, I drop books, files, and also I drop updates that can help anyone as a trader. Link is going to be in the description. I'll catch you on the next one. Subscribe, it's absolutely free. Peace and love, guys.